Hello students, you welcome. Today in this video we shall learn about an important topic, editing the paragraph. Editing means to find errors in the paragraph and to correct them. Editing is an important aspect of a language. If you are not aware about editing, definitely there will be some of the mistakes when you compose something. After composing or after making the composition, we must read the composition once again to find it out whether we have committed any mistake or not. This is the compulsory part of the examination in class 8th to class 11th. So we shall learn today how to edit a paragraph. Now let us proceed how to edit. Before editing the paragraph, we must have a reading of the complete paragraph. After reading the paragraph, we shall find it out that this paragraph is written in which tense. And after finding out the tense, we shall work on preposition, conjunctions, verb of the para, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb. We should keep every topic in mind to find the error in the paragraph. So let us start. The tail is important for kangaroos. This paragraph is regarding kangaroo. Kangaroo is the famous animal, popular animal of Australia. The right pronunciation of the word is also kangaroo. It held them in balance when they sit or fight for other kangaroos. The kangaroo uses its short legs as arms. With them, he scratches itself, cleans its fur, and holds branches. When it eats leaves, kangaroos is marsupials and females carry newborns in a pouch. So complete paragraph is related to the kangaroo. Now let us find out the mistakes one by one in the lines. The very first line, the tail is important for kangaroos. Here it is not the tail. We shall use here the word tail, that is the part organ of the animal. So this spelling is wrong. So we shall write the wrong word here, then the correct word shall be written. So wrong word is tail and the correct word is tail. This is about animal kangaroo and nothing is related with the tail, but the right word will be tail. Okay, the tail is important for kangaroos, sure. It held them in balance when they sit or fight for other kangaroos. So held is the past tense of the verb hold, and the paragraph is written completely in present tense. It is the description about the kangaroo. So held is irrelevant here. The first form of the verb will be used and the subject is it. So the first form of the verb will also carry with it s or es. So instead of held, we shall write holds. Right answer will be holds. Okay, it holds them in balance when they sit or fight for other kangaroos. Now there is the description that the animal fight for other, not fight for other, but when the kangaroo fight with other kangaroo. So instead of using for, we shall use here with. We shall use here with. Sit or fight with other kangaroos, not for other kangaroo. Okay, the next line is the kangaroo uses its short legs. Now here kangaroo is in singular form and use the first form of the verb present indefinite. So if the kangaroo or the subject is in singular, we shall use s or es with the main verb. So here instead of using use, the right answer will be uses. So the kangaroo uses its short legs as arms. Next line. With them, he scratches itself. Here it is the use of pronoun he, and for animals we do not use pronoun he, but we use here it. So with them he scratches. Instead of using he, the right use of the pronoun will be it. With them he, instead of he we shall use it. It scratches itself, cleans its fur, and holds branches. Here hold, because kangaroo is a singular. Here in this passage we see that one single kangaroo is representing its whole class. So instead of using hold, hold is used for a plural subject. So we shall use here holds. Hold, shall use here holds. Okay. Cleans its fur and holds branches. When it eats leaf. When it eats leaf. Leaf is not proper form. Leaf singular form and leaves is a plural form. So we shall write the correct spelling of a leaves. Instead of L-E-A-V-E, we shall use L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Now, kangaroos is marsupials, and females carry newborns in a pouch. Marsupial, kangaroos, plural form, and the subject is kangaroos, and here the helping verb is is. Instead of using is, we shall use are. So here instead of using is, we shall use are. Marsupials are the animals which carry their newborn in their pouch. So here is, instead of using is, we shall use are. Are marsupials, and females carry newborns in a pouch. So we find that there were many mistakes related to the right word of using of the right word, verb, preposition, then using of the proper pronoun. So there are a lot of mistakes and we corrected them one by one. You will get the expectation when you practice more and more for editing. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks.